Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by redeeming the Apple gift card, so purchases draw from your Apple ID balance. Open the App Store and tap your profile icon. Choose Redeem Gift Card or Code. Once done, hold the camera over the printed code or paste the code from an email. Make sure the confirmation shows your new balance at the top of the account screen, because in-app purchases will use that balance first, and this prevents accidental charges to other payment methods. Now verify payment settings so the gift balance is prioritized. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Payment and Shipping. You may need to re-authenticate. Once there, confirm your Apple ID balance shows and that any credit card is listed below. Apple uses the balance first for in-app purchases. Make sure your App Store region matches the gift card country because regional mismatch blocks use. If you share purchases with family sharing, note who pays for new app subscriptions and adjust accordingly. Finish by making the in-app purchase while signed into the Apple ID that redeemed the card. Open the app, tap the Buy or Subscribe button, then confirm the prompt. The system will show that it uses your Apple ID balance if available. Once charged, view the receipt under Settings Right Arrow Media and Purchases Right Arrow Purchase History. If anything goes wrong, sign out and back in, verify the store region and balance. And as a key troubleshooting tip, contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.